You asked, I'm listening. So we're here, we've got a pretty good downpour rain. It was actually raining a heck of a lot harder, maybe about 30 minutes ago. But since I've got up here and got my phone, it's slacked a bit, but it's still pretty good solid rain. This side of my roof has no screens or guards on the gutters. Running as intended, no overflow, everything's fine. Of course, I probably need to clean it out a bit, but I think it's going good right now. Let's check out the other side that does have screens on it that we just put up a couple of weeks ago. No splash, no run over, no nothing. We're doing good. We're running, we're draining. No issues at all. Metal roof, 512 pitch. My point in this is that a viewer had questioned if it was going to run over having put guards on these gutters. And sometimes that happens. It absolutely does happen, depending on the roof pitch, depending on a lot of factors. Some guards may run over. But these open mesh screens, they're not going to run over unless they're installed incorrectly or they have debris clogging up the top of the screens. Totally a possibility. But as you can see here, we're good to go. Also, let's talk about this thing while I'm out here in the rain. Look at it, it's full. And remember, it took one rain to fill this guy up. The water coming out of the downpipe, filling it up, it's just not going to come out of these tiny little exit holes as fast as it's coming out here. It's just not going to happen. So this, I might want to double up. I might want to actually put a larger hose on it, cut it larger, I don't know. This right here is one of the reasons why I do not like to have these types of rain barrels put in. Obviously, I've put one on my own shop, I get that, but I did it to show you guys a kind of 10,000 foot overview of how it goes in. And, you know, maybe some of the advantages of having it, like cleaning up tools, getting quick water to, you know, wipe off your hands, just whatever. But if you don't plan to use this thing almost every day, every other day maybe, then you're probably not going to like it because it's just going to fill up. Okay, here's your downpour. Do it right. You got no issue. Now I'll see you on the next go round.